Hey Naishka, this is your dictation lesson. Go ahead and make sure you have your dictation paper and your pencil. That's all you need. Go ahead and echo the sound wild. That's number 1. Write it on the line. Number 2, echo the sound eind. Write it on the line. Number 3, echo the sound old. Write it on the line. Okay, now listen up. You only have real words to do, okay? So your first real word is mild. Repeat the word. Tap the sounds. Mild, mild. Write it on the line. That's number 1. Number 2 is find. Tap the sound. Find, find. Okay, go ahead and mark your words. Remember, box your welded sound. And remember, for instance, your words should look like this because they're exceptions to the closed syllable rule. So you have find, you have this word, but it is a welded sound, but it's an exception to the closed syllable rule. This I is long, normally it's short. So you have to mark all your welded sounds like that, okay? So you remember. Okay, number 3, grind. Grind, grind. Okay, number 4, scold. Scold, scold. Okay, number 5, blind. Blind, blind. Okay, and go ahead and make an extra line in number 6. This one is blind. I'm sorry, it's not blind. We already did blind. Number 6 is bind. Bind, bind. Okay? So go ahead and mark out your nonsense words. You don't have those, the row in the middle. And move on to your high frequency sight words, okay? Your first word is father. Number 2 is ocean. Number 3, mother. Number 4, friends. Number 5, laugh. Okay, moving on to your sentences. Remember, if you need anything repeated, said again. If you need to stop to write, go ahead and do that. You're in control, okay? Number 1, the child is not in the shop. Repeat the sentence. Write the sentence. Pause the video. Okay, now that you are done writing, circle the word the, is, not, in, and the. Those are your sight words. Okay, also make sure you box any exceptions that you had or digraphs or other welded sounds. Okay, so in child, you should box ILD and you should mark it like we mark exceptions to the closed syllable rule. Okay, number 2, moving on. It was not mild on the Gulf. It was cold. Okay, so let me say that one again. It was not mild on the Gulf, comma, it was cold. Okay, and that's strong feeling. It was not mild on the Gulf, comma, it was cold. Okay, make sure you have a punctuation mark that shows strong feeling. Okay, make sure you box your welded sounds. You have 2 exceptions in there. You also have a blend. Okay, Gulf is a blend, so make sure you underline each sound in the blend. Look up at the board if you need help. Okay, number 3, Bill is the best host. Go ahead and make sure you pause the video so you can write it. Okay, now that you're back, make sure you circle is and the. Okay, also make sure you star the bonus letters, you underline the blend in the word best, and you also box your welded sound and mark it like we mark exceptions. Okay? Alright, so that's it. Make sure you go back through your paper, check your spelling, your punctuation, all your capitalization, make sure you mark all of your words, If it's an exception, make sure you mark it how we mark exceptions to the closed syllable rule. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Yes, Brandon.